Hello. Welcome to today's video. Today we are looking for some toy gadgets for kids. Before going to start the video, please subscribe to our channel. Let's start our video. First one. This is hand-operating mini drone. You can buy it online within $15. Second one. This is cat stealing mini bank. You can buy it online within $20. Third one. This is boxing reflex ball. You can buy it online within $10. Fourth one. This is toys binoculars for kids. You can buy it online within $25. Fifth one. This is Spy X Night Mission gadget. You can buy it online within $25. Sixth one. This is Kids Beginner Microscope. You can buy it online within $40. Seventh one. This is multi-voice changer. You can buy it online within $15. Eighth one. This is shooting game toy. You can buy it online within $25. Ninth one. This is Widget toy. You can buy it online within $15. 10th one. This is Poop Boxer pen. You can buy it online within $15. Last one. This is magic flashing lead flying ball. You can buy it online within $15. So, today we are looking for some toy gadgets for kids. If you want those products, you can get them through the links below the description. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon in the next video.